Money. Definitions, functions, nature, and importance. Definitions of money. Money has been defined in different ways. Functional definitions focus on what money does. Walker. Money is what money does. Seligman. Money is one thing that possesses general acceptability. Legal definition emphasizes the role of the state. Knapp. Money is a creature of law. It is anything that the state declares as a legal tender. General acceptability definition. The key is widespread acceptance. Crowther. Money is anything that is generally acceptable as a means of exchange and at the same time acts as a measure and store of value. Conclusion. Money is anything that is generally accepted as a medium of exchange for goods and services and in the settlement of debts. Functions of money. Money performs four primary functions. First, primary functions. Medium of exchange. This is the most important function. Money eliminates the need for a double coincidence of bonds required in a barter system. It is universally accepted in payment for goods and services. Measure of value, unit of account. Money provides a common unit for measuring the value of all goods and services. It allows us to compare prices and calculate cost, revenues, and profits. Secondary functions. Standard of deferred payments. Money facilitates borrowing and lending. It allows for transactions where payment is made at a future date as its value remains relatively stable over time. Store of value. Money allows people to save their purchasing power for future use. It is a way to hold wealth, though inflation can erode its value over time. Contingent functions. Basis of credit. Distribution of national income. Transfer of value. Nature of money. The nature of money is evolved. Metallic money. Coins made from precious metals, gold, silver with intrinsic value. Paper money. Currency notes issued by the central bank, initially backed by precious metals, but now operating as fiat money. Fiat money. Money declared by the government to be a legal tender. It is not backed by a physical commodity, but by the trust and authority of the issuing government. Credit money. Claims against future payment, including bank deposits, checks, and digital transfers. Digital money. The latest evolution, including electronic bank transfers, mobile wallets, and cryptocurrencies. The importance of money eliminates barter problems, solve the problem of double coincidence of bonds, divisibility, and storing value. Facilitates specialization and trade, allows individuals and nations to specialize, leading to increased productivity and economic growth. Basis of the credit system. The entire uh, modern banking and financial system is built upon money and its various forms. Enables economic calculation, provides a common denominator for calculating costs, revenues, profits, and losses, essential for businesses and economic planning. Liquidity. Money is the most liquid asset, easily convertible into any other good or service. Tool of economic policy. Governments use monetary policy, controlling money supply and interest rates, to manage inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. That's it for this topic.